就写 I just wanted to take a second to thank you for your business。然后我那时候在结账的时候，它还有一个 refund and return policy， 就是他们是100% satisfaction guarantee， 就是那些 try out the Paperlike for a full year。对，所以我真的觉得他一定是对自己的产品很有信心才会这样写。
Hi, I'm Jan. Today I'll show you how to apply the Paperlike on the iPad Pro. The Paperlike ships with 2 Paperlike screen protectors, 2 dust absorber guide stickers, 2 wet wipes, 2 dry wipes, and an instruction sheet. Something you'll have to get from your wallet, a card, because we don't ship it because we'll end up throwing it into the garbage and that's save the environment. So, first thing, make sure you apply the Paperlike somewhere with the least amount of dust as possible, because in the end, if dust comes between the Paperlike and the iPad Pro, it gets difficult. So have a look at the comments below and the links below. We'll have some recommendations how to do it if you're not sure how to do it or where to apply it, because dust is really the biggest problem you might find. Let's get the Paperlike. And the Paperlike has 2 sides, side 1 and side 2. Pay attention. We might change it over time. So sideways and it will stick automatically on the back. Yeah. Now let's help it a little bit here.
Okay, wait a second. Wait a second.
Now let's get the dry wipes. Take off all the excess fluid. and make sure to push out bubbles behind the stickers. So just push on the sticker. That looks great. So that's how you apply a Paperlike on the iPad Pro. If you have any issues, look at the description below. There you'll have any kind of way of contacting us, and we look forward to having feedback from you. And thanks a lot for watching the video. Cheers.
Woohoo!